Hey everyone, it's almost time for the Super Bowl, so I've decided to make this quick video on some nachos for you so you can make them for your game or your party or whatever you're doing, or you can make them anytime really. What we're doing is we're making nachos, but instead of using tortilla chips for, the chip part, we're gonna be using those little red baby bell peppers. They work out great, guys. They have a nice sweet little flavor and they make a nice little chip. Works really great. And what we're going to do is take a rotisserie chicken, make it nice and easy so that you can, put this together without too much fuss. And we are going to make our, well, I'm going to ask you to go make the enchilada sauce that I have on my channel that goes fantastic with this. And so you'll put that together. It takes maybe 10 minutes. We're going to mix our chicken with that sauce, and the flavors are just out of this world delicious. Then we're going to top our nachos with some organic corn. Then we're going to add some mozzarella cheese and some cilantro for garnish, and we'll even put a little bit of avocado on there because that goes great. Pop it in the oven. They come out nice and cheesy and delicious, and I tell you, you're going to love it. So I'm Rockin' Robin, and I'm going to show you how to do it right after this. All right, let's go over our ingredients. First up is our chicken. I bought a rotisserie chicken. Keep it, nice and easy, ready to go. All I have to do is shred it up with my hands. That's it. That's what I've got there. Then I have my homemade enchilada sauce, which I'll leave a link for you right up here and down below in the description of the video. Click where it says show more and you'll find it. So we're going to combine those two together. Now here's our little mini peppers. These are sweet little peppers, and we're going to cut those later, and I'll show you that. I have some organic corn here, which we're going to just kind of drizzle all over. I have a lime and a couple of avocados, some sour cream, some cilantro for garnish, and our cheese. So I'm going to be making our nachos on a baking sheet here lined with foil for easy cleanup, of course. That's always important. And you want to make sure, or you can use any baking dish you want, whatever, depending on how many nachos you're making. As long as your dish can handle 400 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven, you're good to go. My oven's preheating now at 400, and we're going to go into cutting up the little mini bell peppers and get them on our tray. Also, I wanted to ask you guys, who are you rooting for the Super Bowl? I'm curious. Let me know down in the comments. Rams or Patriots? Which one are you? I'll let you know who I'm rooting for a little bit later in the video. Okay, so I'm going to cut the stem off, guys. And you can cut these in half. You can cut them any way you want, just you're trying to make a little, take the stem out part and the seeds. But you can leave them that big, which is kind of a nice scoop size, or you can cut them a little bit smaller. And you just want to figure out how they're going to lay flat. So this one probably would do better if I cut it like this, and then both sides kind of lay flat like that. Now I think you want to place these together so they're touching each other. That's the way nachos are, right? They're not all separated, each chip, so. Now we're going to mix our enchilada sauce in with the chicken. Now my enchilada sauce is warm. My chicken is also warm. It's not hot. But you're going to put enough sauce in here now to, just get it all coated, really. And just start stirring it in and see what you got. Remember, guys, it's the sauce that makes it. It really does. This is looking pretty good to me. I might add just another little scoop on there. That should do it. All right, now we're just going to place little blobs of chicken on here with the sauce and just kind of coat them. You want to get some on each little pepper, right? Use your hands. That's what they're for. This is a nice low-carb appetizer that some of your guests will really enjoy. I mean, everybody's going to love the flavors. And if you want to, you can even drizzle even a little more enchilada sauce on top if you wish. All right, now that we got all the chicken on here, which I think we've got everything pretty well covered, now we'll just take our hands and just sprinkle some corn on top, just like this. And wherever it falls, it falls. Then we go with the cheese, and then we're going to pop this in the oven. Now I'm using mozzarella today, but you can use, Monterey Jack, you can use cheddar, you can use a combination of those. I mean, any of those will work. All right, so in the oven, 400 degrees is what I have it set at, and I'm going to check it at, I'll start looking at it about 15 minutes and just see where it's at, but it's probably going to go 20, 25, so here we go. All right, I just took these out of the oven. They look scrumptious to me, boy, and they smell great. So to finish up our nachos, we have left to put on is a little bit of avocado, which I'm gonna cut my avocado in half and then I'm gonna sprinkle or drizzle a little bit of lime juice on it just so that it won't oxidize as it's sitting out. So I'll just go ahead and just squeeze a little lime juice in my avocado and then we'll sprinkle that on. We'll add a little bit of sour cream and we'll finish it up with a little bit of chopped cilantro. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you try this for the Super Bowl. It's easy enough to do and it's quick enough to do. It doesn't take a lot of preparation or cooking. You just kind of put it all together. So thank you so much for watching. If you know somebody who might enjoy this recipe for the Super Bowl or any other parties, be sure and share it with them. And if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, love to have you. Click the subscribe button along with the bell that will notify you when new videos come out every week. All right, guys, thanks again. We'll see you next time. And oh, by the way, I'm rooting for the Patriots. We'll see you next time. Bye.